Welcome to IDL 7140 Learning Management System and Evaluations. We continue on with week 3, and this is a how to use awards and badges in the D2L BrightSpace platform. So the first thing you're going to need is to select awards from this top nav bar, but I don't see it. So we need to add it. We're going to select to the right side on this nav bar so we get this ellipsis show up. Let's select that ellipsis and select edit this nav bar. Once we do that, we are going to come in here, and these are the links that we already have at the top, but we want to add a link. So we'll select add links and come down to where we see awards. We will select that button there and select add. Now that we've done that, we're going to hit save and close. And I don't have my screen expanded enough, so you'll see that awards is in the drop down right here under more. And we're going to come into course awards. Now you want to add an award to the course, so you select that, and you want to find something that is relevant to what you want. Now, if there's nothing similar to it, you could find something that you can tweak by editing it, because maybe you like that the icon art, or you can come up here and create your very own custom award. But I am going to try and find something, you know what, this best works one will work. We'll go ahead and select that and add that. And now you'll see that has been added to my options for badges. Now I want to come over here to the class list to assign it to somebody. So we're going to use our demo student, and we are going to select issue. And we're going to select an award that we want. So we just added that best work one. We're going to add that one in, and we can just put test, test, test for the criteria. But this is where you're going to enter the reason or the evidence for this award, and this is going to be visible to the recipient. So make it impactful, make it mean something. Once you're done with that, you're going to select issue, and now that student has been issued the award. You can see down here at the bottom that the award was successfully awarded. If by some chance you accidentally awarded that, you can select revoke and you can pull the award back. But you have now edited, created, and issued an award, and that is it for this how-to. I hope it was helpful. Please follow me and look at some more of my how-to videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.